Bobthebiker with a new video. Today we are going to check the new action camera, my Gopro Hero 5 session. So I just want to know the difference between my old camera SF 4000 Wi-Fi and Gopro Hero 5. So let's record all the available formats like 4K, 2.7K and 1080p 720 as usual. So I just changed my settings to 4K 30 FPS, and in GoPro Hero 5 it won't support 60 FPS, supports up to 30 FPS only. And I think stability is not on because stability won't be supported in 4K. It is supported up to only 2.7K as you saw in the previous video. So here I am recording the video in 2.7K with 60 FPS with stability on. I am using my external mic with my phone to record the audio. So I will put the file of. So now I set the formation 120 FPS. So